Let us learn the history of this lake. Lake Simcoe is a remnant of a much bigger, prehistoric lake known as Lake Algonquin. This lake's basin also included Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, Lake Nipigon, and Lake Nipissing. The melting of an ice dam at the close of the last ice age greatly reduced water levels in the region, leaving the lakes of Toda. At the time of the first European contact in the 17th century, the lake was called Ouentironk, beautiful water, by the Wyandot Huron natives. The term Toronto refers to an Iroquoian expression meaning gateway or pass. Toronto had originally referred to the Narrows, a channel of water through which Lake Simcoe discharges into Lake Couchiching. Natural Resources Canada gives a related translation. It originated as the Mohawk phrase Toronto, which means where there are trees standing in the water. According to several Mohawk speakers and Aboriginal language expert John Steckley, Mohawks used the phrase to describe the Narrows, where Hurons and other natives drove stakes into the water to create fish weirs. Radiocarbon dating of surviving stakes reveals that the weirs at the Narrows were in use more than 4,000 years ago. Since then, many subsequent mapmakers adopted this name for it, though cartographer Vincenzo Coronelli is thought to have introduced the more commonly used spelling of Toronto in a map he created in 1695. The lake is about 30 kilometers long, 25 kilometers wide, and 722 square kilometers in area. It is shaped somewhat like a fist with the index finger and thumb extended. The thumb forms Kempenfeld Bay on the west, the wrist Lake Couchiching to the north, and the extended finger is Cook's Bay on the south. Couchiching was at one time thought of as a third bay of Simcoe, known as the Bristol Channel. However, the Narrows between the two bodies of water separate them enough to consider this to be another lake. The Narrows, known as where trees stand in the water. An interpretation of the word Toronto was an important fishing point for the First Nations peoples who lived in the area, and the Mohawk term Toronten eventually gave its name to Toronto. By way of the portage route running south from that point, the Toronto Carrying Place Trail. Regarding the translation of Toronto as meaning where trees stand in the water, this would have been the likely outcome of the Huron practice of driving stakes into the channel sediments to corral fish. Fresh cut saplings placed in the water and sediments would have sprouted branches and leaves, persisting for some time, leading to a place where trees stand in the water. The canal locks of the Trent Severn Waterway make this connection navigable. The region of York is currently finalizing plans for a sewage treatment plant to be constructed on the shores of Lake Simcoe 19 to be located on the Holland River in Cook's Bay. This plant's purpose is to support intensification of development in the Lake Simcoe watershed.
Bars. Oh no, that's so scary. You might break it. No. Thank you so much and bye-bye.